The journey of a village boy to an IAS officer. In a small village nestled between green fields and flowing rivers, lived a boy named Ramesh. His family was poor, and their livelihood depended on farming. Despite the hardships, Ramesh had big dreams. He wanted to become an IAS officer and bring change to his village. A dream against all odds. Ramesh's parents could not afford expensive schools, so he studied in a government school where there was a shortage of teachers and resources. But he never let these challenges stop him. He walked 5 kilometers daily to school, studied under the dim light of a kerosene lamp, and borrowed books from his friends. Many people in the village told him that a farmer's son could never become an IAS officer. But Ramesh's mother always encouraged him. She would say, if you believe in yourself, no challenge is too big. Hard work and determination. After finishing school, Ramesh moved to the city for higher studies. It was not easy. He lived in a small rented room, did part-time jobs to support himself, and spent every free moment preparing for the UPSC exam. There were days when he had no money for food, but he never lost hope. Ramesh failed in his first attempt at the IAS exam. It was a heartbreaking moment, but he did not give up. He analyzed his mistakes, improved his weaknesses, and worked even harder. Success after struggle. After years of dedication and sacrifices, the day finally came when the UPSC results were announced. Ramesh's hands trembled as he checked the list. His name was there. He had cleared the exam and secured a good rank. Tears filled his eyes. The boy from a small village, who once struggled to afford books, was now an IAS officer. When he returned to his village, the same people who doubted him now welcomed him with pride. He had not only changed his own life but had also become an inspiration for many others in his village. Conclusion. Ramesh's journey proves that no dream is too big if one has the determination to achieve it. Success is not about where you come from, it is about where you want to go. Hard work, perseverance, and self-belief can turn even the most impossible dreams into reality. So, never stop believing in yourself. If a village boy can become an IAS officer, so can you.